Welcome back to SMP channel. My name is Jonah, and today's video we are making a display rack that you can use in your store, especially if you are just starting your business. And it is also useful if you are into live selling. I'm gonna tell you the materials that we need, and also I'm gonna show you the steps from the beginning till the end. I always upload useful content just like this one, so make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell. We are starting the DIY video in 3, 2, and 1. For this project, we need the following materials. 2 pieces wire mesh, size 60 centimeters by 100 centimeters, width times length. Price 215 times 2 equals 430 pesos. If you want to know where I bought my wire mesh grid, just comment shop wire mesh below. Next material, garment hanging rack. Single rail, size 120 centimeters by 120 centimeters, width times length. Price range is 1,500 to 3,000. There are cheaper options, but I do not recommend them because they are flimsy and insubstantial. Next one is wire mesh hooks, price 10 pesos each. Next is soft copper wire, price 60 pesos. And we only need one tool to assemble everything. Make sure you have your pliers ready. Now that you have everything that you need, let's start with our project. Step 1. Using copper wire, attach the first wire mesh grid to the side of the garment rack. Make sure to surround the side and the top with copper wire. Use pliers to cut and compress the wire. Step 2. Work on the other side of the rack using the second wire mesh grid. You just need to repeat step 1 to completely attach the wire mesh to the rack. last step is really easy, even your child can do this. Put the hooks on the wire mesh grid and you're good to go. That's how you can create a display rack for your shop. You know that using a display rack is a form of visual merchandising. It has many advantages like giving information to your potential customers. When they see your display, they will have ideas what your store is about, what items you offer, and how organized you are as a seller. For instance, as a customer, from which store will you buy? Is it store A or B? Many of you would choose B. If you're an online seller and you're selling like letter A, it's time to make a change. You don't need to show your entire stock room or inventory to your target market. You just need to pick some items and put them on display. People will get attracted because they will see how neat and organized you are as a seller. And what it means for your business is more sales and of course, more profit. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'm gonna say bye-bye for now, but I'll be back and I'm gonna see you in the next video.